Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. This is all about text determination, like how you have price determination, output determination, and item category determination. There is something called text determination. If you are from ECC background, you're already aware of what exactly the text determination. Let's try to simplify today this process, how to configure and how to check at transaction level. So the term itself, it says the text. Why you want text? Text can be your promotion, text can be your instruction, text can be like anything for that matters around your OTC cycle. Okay. So let's try to go back to the Excel. We'll discuss in detail what exactly in text determination. So you have a sales order. Let's take any document for that matter. It starts from inquiry and quotation, order, delivery, and billing. Wherever you want, you can able to determine the text how you want it. Okay, not only your at your transactional process. Okay, so text can be driven from not only from transactional level, it can be driven from your master data also. Finally, the text instruction will be flown to here. Okay, so we'll see the functionalities. Let me give you some example. Okay, so if you see, you can call this one as a premium instruction, or else this is for premium goods, or else let's keep it sales instruction. Okay, so I would like to inform to all my customers, okay, while creating the sales order, I would like to put some instruction. Okay, probably like, suppose someone is entering certain a product. Okay, you can say that all products, for all products, okay, returns will be valid. Okay, valid from the time of the delivery as 7 days. You may say that the company is so cordial, 7 working days. This is the text. For all products, returns will be valid from the time, okay, from the time of the delivery. Let me put it some meaningful. Okay. Time valid from the time of the delivery. Okay, from the time of the delivery as 7 days. That means within a week, returns will be accepted. Okay. So this is one thing. Okay. You may put some instruction. Personal damaged. Okay. Will not be settled. Like some damage. Okay. So maybe breaking or throwing or something like that. Okay. Some instruction. So these are the 2 instructions you would like to put in. Okay. For your customer. Let me try to drag here. Now let me put here. I'll try to adjust within this cell. And let's keep this. And again, this one. Okay. So that's what is the instruction is all about. It can be small text or big text. This is the sales instruction you are giving to your customer. Okay. Personal damage will not be settled. That means if you try to return also, it will not be settled, something like that. Or else, okay, no discount. Maybe on premium products. Okay. So you're a watch company, and you will sell normal consumer watches and luxury watches. On luxury watches, you have such a brand like Rolex or something like that. So I think it is now a trending word. Okay, so you don't want to around rich people. You don't want to give any discount. Okay, so such a kind like that. Okay, you might put instruction for rich folks who would like to buy Rolex and more than bigger brands. Okay, this is one thing. So this is one instruction. The sales instruction, okay, is how do you control? This is one of the parameters. Under this is the instruction I would like to run. Okay, value add info. Okay, so maybe like this is value add info. I created this one as like my price discount information. Okay, this one, these informations are like I will put this. It might falls under like sales instruction. Okay, so let's put it merge like sales instruction. Okay, first text type. This we'll call it as a text type. We'll see everything on SAP. So why I'm telling, even if you have some experience in ECC also, new folks, if someone would like to learn in future directly from S4 HANA, they should have this knowledge. Okay. Next, value add info. This is one of the text type. Okay. What is all about? This is also one of the instruction, like product on bulk, maybe more than 100 pieces. 100 pieces will be discounted 1% from June 2024 to December 2024. You're putting some instruction. You're giving 1% extra. Why? Because generally your customers may order like 5 products, 10 products, 50 products, 60 products, maximum up to 70 to 80 products. So he's giving additionally one instruction, okay, to increase the sales. You can say this one is a promotional text type or else some instruction, okay. Mode of payment, okay, it is like mode of payment. It may be like cash, credit card, okay, debit card, okay, maybe UPI, check, demand draft. Okay, I'm doing business. All these are the different modes of payment I'm going to accept. This, like it should be needed. So this should be needed till like if some customer is ordered certain product, okay, let's leave over this pre-sales document. Let's try to see from order. Order, delivery, billing. Till billing, this information need to be passed because offline they require this information. What is the mode of the payment? Okay. Certain times it might be like credit basis. So credit basis is all about credit card only. Don't worry. So then billing and the person who would like to pick and load the goods, they should know this information offline. That is a customer requirement. This is customer requirement. This is customer text requirement. All these information how would like to pass on to the my SAP system throughout the cycle. Okay. Let's check this today. Okay. So for text determination, what exactly you need? Let me try to explain you here. Okay. The transaction, this is the centralized transaction code VOTXN. So like, you can able to maintain the text to pass from different applications for different transactional purpose. Okay. So probably you might not understand my last sentence, but let's try to understand this. Okay. On the system. So let me go back. See VOTXN is a transaction. You can able to see this text. I can able to maintain. This is general data level. Central text I can able to maintain. So that it will be valid for all sales organization. You have a global sales organization, local sales organization, irrespective of any sales organization. If you maintain this text, it will pass to everywhere. This is for contact person level also you can able to maintain with contact person partner. This is sales and distribution, generally sold to ship to bill to pair based on the your partner function you would like to maintain. Okay. So if you look at this, so this is basically display. If you would like to see the information, for example, if I click the display, so after configuration, you can able to open, everything will be in display mode. You cannot able to change. Next one is change mode. See, you try to remember these two buttons. Your job is easy, I'm telling you. Okay. So change, for what purpose we're using change? What is the text type we're going to see now? Okay. So probably we can able to see at a transaction level first. Okay. The text. Then we will try to get back to the applications. We can able to maintain text at customer level and info record level and your pricing condition level, sales document header and item, delivery document header and item, billing document header and item. Probably 100% it is required. You can able to maintain at shipping header, but you don't have item here. Settlement management, this is new thing. This is there in S4 HANA. There is something like your rebates you have, okay? Your trading contracts. This is the scope. Probably for text changes, this is the scope actually driven at the settlement management agreement level. Okay, let's try to understand this, how exactly it works, your text. So let's go. That what is the text type? Okay, let's click this. Okay, this is the cross client. Once you define, you can able to reutilize the same text type for other applications also. Suppose if you defined one text type for sales order, same text type you can able to use it for your delivery and billing also, since it is a cross client. Okay, so like how you have access sequence. Okay, so you have all these things. If you look at this, so for accounts, if you'd like to have a note, so marketing, you have a note in sales order. So bank memos, you can able to see this. Okay. So potential reasoning, specialization, there is something. So billing instruction, you can able to see this sales note for customer. Shipping instructions, maybe for your ship to party or delivery. Okay. All these are the different things are there. Okay. So we have one example. This will be control text ID 4-digit code. Okay. Let's come back. Let me try to define. Let's take out this. Let's see this example. This one is sales instruction. For sales instruction, I would like to use maybe like this. ZD01. I'm just defining this one as my text type. Okay, to pass this information to sales order, and after that it will be passed to delivery, and after that it will be passed to billing. So I'll put it one more ZD02. This is for my. So all these are the three instructions I would like to copy into the sales order. Once I enter the information manually, I would like to pass to the what I would say my billing. Okay. So let's go to this is ZD03. Okay. So there are two ways to control your text. Okay. So like you can able to copy what I would say, you can able to copy. Let's take this one also. Okay. One example is sufficient. We'll take this example, simple example. You try to understand this. So this is in two ways how the text will be. Okay. One is automatic text. Okay. So let me show you here. What is the scenario? Suppose you have a customer. Okay. So here you maintain central level. Okay. For example, you maintain a text instruction that will be copied to order. Okay. From order to it will be copied to delivery. Okay. And after that, it will be copied to billing. This is one scenario, case one. Okay. So case two. So case two is like you have an order, you have a delivery, you have a billing. Here, probably like, if you go for your cutover activity for all customers, whatever the instructions you would like to maintain, for example, all these three text types, you can able to maintain the text when they're creating a sales order. This will be copied. That we can able to control the configuration. Once it is copied order, that will be copied to delivery. That again we can control to the configuration. From delivery to billing, if you want it, again we can able to control the configuration. Okay. First, simply we'll check the case two. Case two is like you will enter manually. Okay. So these three text types supposed to be available at my sales order header level. We'll see the example, and that will be automatically copied through configuration, delivery, and billing. Okay. Let's see the case two. Case one is also simple. We'll try to check. We'll go by simple manner. Okay. So let's start this case two now. Okay. So what are all we have? All these are right. Sales instruction. First, you copy this. So each text, what kind of text you would like to pass, that will be controlled by your text type. Go to new entries. So ZD01. Okay. This is sales instruction. Okay. So save this. Now go to ZD02. So that is what is the next you have. Probably you can copy from here. Value add info. Okay. So ZD03. Mode of payment. Okay. These three. Let's copy this. So you have these three text types defined. Okay. So come here. Oh, I maintained at a central text level. So I don't want it now. So we'll check another example. Let's remove this here. We'll maintain at case two, right? First we are checking. Let's wait for a moment. We'll see both cases back to back. So first go to the sales document header. We can able to see here. Okay. One moment. Come back. So let's click the text types. Okay. Now go here. What is the what is mode of payment? And this one is sales instruction. This is ZD01. This is ZD02. This is ZD03. Okay. We have created three text types. You can able to compare this. Sales instruction is this one, this one, this one. Okay. So that means we'd like to instruct three kind of text types. That means three kind of text we'd like to see at sales order level. Okay. Once saved this, come back. I will show you. So now you got a header. Okay. Now click on change. Okay. See, you defined a text types. How it need to be flown. This is the configuration is going to decide. Let's click on the change. Okay. So you have to define a procedure. Okay. For example, if someone has defined this is the text procedure, you have to place your text IDs. Probably it is like, one mini condition technique, not exactly condition technique, something like that. Okay. So let's go to this one. Maybe I can put it D1. Okay. As my text procedure. Sales header text. Okay. DRAM. Okay, let's put it. So let's select this. Let's go to the text IDs. Okay, go to the new entries. You can able to give the sequence. Which one is flow to first and which one is flow to second and which one is flow to third. Okay, what is this? ZD01 first, second one is ZD02, ZD03. Press enter. Okay, so this is what is this reference text? I will explain you. So just keep it for some time and you can able to see text. Whether text is obligatory. Suppose if you don't enter text, it will not allow you. Okay, this is obligatory. Okay, so text will be displayed during copying. Okay, this is something like if you're copying from customer to sales order. Okay, text is obligatory displayed while transferring. These are the options. Text is not obligatory. So let's put it text is obligatory for all these three. I would like to tell one thing. Okay, if something supposed to be need to be automatically copied, okay, from sales order to delivery to billing, then you require an access sequence. Okay, how it works? Let's define here access sequence. Okay, I will show you how it works. Let's select this. Okay, probably let's do one thing. Before that, let me show you in let me select this. Anyhow, maybe I can do like this. This is starts with 1000. Okay, access seek sales. Let's put it, press enter. Okay, so 1001. Okay, 1000. Let's try to keep the access sequence of the text IDs. Let's go here. It's simple. There is nothing to worry. 20, 30. Okay. Give the text object. What is your text object? Okay. At what level, while copying, you would like to control. This is for header text. Okay. Whether it is, see, generally, sales he has given. If it is delivery, also, this is the same for header text. If it is billing, also same for header text. And this is for item level header text. In the similar way, you will have a different levels. Maybe customer text also will be there, KNBB, and this is for contact person. So let's try to understand this example so that you better compare. Okay. So all these three, I would like to copy. Okay. First one is K0001, K0002, and K0003. Okay, this is specifically if you would like to copy from one document to another document, it is 100% usable. Why I have defined, I'll let you know in another few minutes. Okay, so this is accesses. So once you have done, come here. Okay, D1 is my text procedure, right? At sales level, I need to assign my accesses. Okay, what is that? 1000. Okay, let's put this. So if you don't want to copy, if it is only manual entry, you don't require this one. Okay. So for example, if you're copying from here to somewhere, or else let me tell you also. Then you go for text as procedure assignment. Okay, this is basically header means your sales document type. My document type is DOR. Okay. Here let me put it. The mine is D1. Okay. Okay, let's keep it like this. So now let's try to test this. DOR. This is my customer. Let me enter the material. Now go to the header. Okay. So in the header, go to the text. I think you can able to see this sales instructions, mode of payment and the value. Okay. So when you would like to enter manually, you don't require actually access sequence. If you would like to copy from here to somewhere, definitely you require access sequence. That's what all is about. Okay. So here I don't have any preceding document. I don't require access sequence. For practice, I have shown you, but delivery, how it works, I'll let you know. Okay. So what is the sales instruction? Okay. Let's come here. My sales instruction is this one for ZD01. Okay. This is the text is supposed to be there. And the mode of payment, probably mode of the payment, I'll keep this one as credit card for our information. See this why we have defined either it might be copied from customer master data or material master data automatically, or else will enter the values. This is an example. In real time, it varies from customer to customer. Okay. Now, if you come here, this is the instruction I would like to put in. Okay. So now save this. You saved the order, right? Go on change mode and let's try to check. VA02. Press enter. So now go to the header text. Okay. So you have this information. Mode of payment is credit card and value add information. Suppose this text forcefully you would like to delete it, you can delete here. This is the delete button. This is all about your log button. Okay. I will show you what is this log button. You click this, it is very, very important. So now you can see this. Oh, I kept it mode of payment as ZD02. Okay, no problem. So this one is sales, and this is for mode of payment, and this is for this one. Okay, let's try to change this on SAP, otherwise you will confuse. This is free. You can change it, no problem. This is for two. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so now you can able to see the details. This is the header VBBK. If it is VBB, this is the item level. Header level we define. So access sequence for number you can find it. Especially this information is useful at the time of what I would say in your support project is some issue came. You have to think about all these things. Okay. Now what is our target now? Okay. So I have shown you the aspect how we can able to take the text type and we can able to determine this and we can able to enter the value manually. Okay. This exactly the same information. It need to be copied to delivery. What you have to do it for that. This is the place where the access sequence will comes into picture. Okay. Now go to Vivo TXN again. Okay. Now go to the delivery. Okay. So what is the restriction? What is the limitation we have in SAP? I will tell you. Okay. When you would like to copy header text of okay, header of this is for order. Okay. You would like to copy header of where would I delivery I can able to copy. I can able to copy header of billing also. So header to header it will be copied either order to delivery or order to billing. We will have a scenarios, right? If you don't have delivery like service order, you have to copy. It is header to header. And if you take item order to item delivery, okay, or else item billing. What is the what I would say? What is the limitation for this? You cannot able to copy header data to item like how you are copying your pricing data from header to item. That it is not possible. So like certain header data, it will be copied to item, Incoterms, payment terms, and all these things header to item. Like that, you cannot able to copy the text. It is horizontal, okay, but not flown to vertical. Okay, that's what the SAP design is all about. Okay, item to item only you can able to copy it. Okay, let's try to understand this. We'll take the delivery header. Let's try to copy. Okay, probably we can, if we have time, we can able to see one item example. So it is in the similar way. So if you want to take, you can take different text type for the delivery. Okay, so that also possible. Okay, let's go. Probably I will go to the text type. This one. We can able to use the same text type also. There is no issue. Let's do one thing. Let's continue with the same text types for this scenario. Okay, but I would like to show you. This is the this one. This transaction itself. So I don't. Okay, D0001. I think ZD01 we have defined the text. Okay, that's right. ZD01. You can able to see all these three. I would like to copy from sales order to delivery. What are the text I have entered? Okay, so let's go to the change mode. Okay, you have to take the procedure at delivery level. So you can able to see this. This is the object, and this is the delivery level. D1 we have defined as so. This is delivery header text. Okay. Let's press enter. It's basically 2-digit code. Okay, let's select this. Go to the text IDs. You can go to the sequence and 10, 20. You can 01, 02, 03 also, no problem. It's up to you. So Z01, this is Z02, this is Z03. Okay, we enter this one. Okay, now we require an access sequence for this. We'll define one by one. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, now go to the accesses. Probably I will continue with the 1001 delivery header text 1 T1 I will put it. So it's supposed to be separated. Why it is supposed to be separated? I will explain you. The design is like this. So generally, if you go to the pricing, if you put the all access sequence, there is an exclusion button. We don't have any exclusion button. So we have to take it separately at the time of copying. This is for first one. Okay. Let's go to the sequence number. For text object, this is same the header. Okay. What is the ID? What is the ID? ZD01. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, you have to define this. So this is the text, and this is the object, nothing else to worry. Okay, we have taken for the first one. Now let's go back to this one. So for D2, this one is what? Okay, delivery T1. Okay, first one we have defined. If I take the single one, I can able to explain, but if I take multiples, you can able to remember this. Okay, next go for the second one. For this, I need to define access sequence. Again, go to the access sequences. Okay, I cannot be able to use the same one. Okay, so this one, let's copy. Or else, if you have in your experience any alternative thoughts, let me know. But this is what all about. Okay. Let's copy. Go to the access sequence ID. So let's take the second one. Second one is 20. This one is ZD02. Okay. Simple, same process. That's why I have shown you earlier at sales level also. Okay. This is very, very important, but it is simple also. You're not putting any hard work, but some sample logic will be there. And let's put this ZD003. This is for third instruction, delivery to copy. So go to the new entries. Okay. This is what all about. Let's save this. And let's go to the text for D2. Okay. So second one is access sequence is this one. Third one is access sequence is this one. Okay. Let's save this. Okay. So here also, if you want, you can make it text as obligatory for all three. Okay. Let's close this. So what you have done, you have defined if you want for delivery level also, if you want separately, you can able to define text IDs. Okay. So text types, sorry, text ID means text types. If you would like to define separately, you can able to define it. So this is all about. Now let's go to the delivery now. So it will not work. Why it will not work? I will show you. Okay. Let's try to take. It will not be copied. I will show you 100%. So let's go to the header, go to the text. See, nothing is there here. Error in text formatting, something is coming. Okay. Now let's go to VOTXM. So let's go to the delivery header and click on change. So now go to the text procedure assignment. So what is our delivery document type? LF. Item means it is item category. Okay. For LF, what is ours is D2. Let's say, oh God. Ours is not LF, mine is DLF actually. One second. What is D2, right? Okay. Now let's check this. Now one more time. Still not works, that is something different. If you want, you can able to do the picking also, no issues. Okay. Let's go to the header. This is a header delivery. Go to the text. Now see this copy. So this is copied. So this will be taken care by from one document to another document, your access sequence. Okay. Now it is copied. If I don't define access sequence, probably you can, I'll give it this one as a homework. If I don't define access sequence, separate access sequence for each instruction, so what will happen? You will check. I will tell you, I'll give a clue. This information only will be copied to sales instruction and this one. But we don't want it, right? Okay. So let's go back. Let's do the PJ. Similar process. We can able to do it for our billing also. Now let's come here. VF01, press enter. Go and check. All three documents it's supposed to be copied. Enter text. Nothing is there. You can able to see this. There is no text. So now let's go to the same process. VO TXN. Okay. Go to the billing. Go to the chain. Okay. Let's take this one as D3. Billing. Let me take DRAM. Okay. DRAM is my company. What I have created. So TR where I'm storing, like this is not my TR. Let it be, no problem. This is not real-time system. Okay, this is S4 HANA 2021 you are learning. So anywhere is the same process. Go to the text IDs, go to the new entries, go to the same process. Okay. Here also I require an access sequence. Okay. So probably I'll go and I'll try to define an access sequence. So 1003 till I finish right here. 1004, 1005, 1006. So this is billing T1, billing text one. Okay. Real time, we can give the meaningful information. This is for practice. Probably you can try. Concept is the similar. So let's go and try to assign the text IDs. So go to the new entries. So this is the text object. Okay. Now go to next one. Don't worry about all those fields. I'll explain you. So first I am defining access sequences. You can able to do anywhere. So come back. Come back. So this is D3. It's simple. Like this, so many instructions will be there. Like, at least I have seen in real-time system, 30 to 40 instructions also there in some projects. Don't worry. You can find the requirements with your customer. So now D3. 4, 5. So if you don't believe in me, take one action sequence and test. That is one thing is for you. Okay. So this again header right for your billing document type you have to assign it. So for billing you don't have item. Okay, that's why you have header and procedure will be determination procedure also will be there here. So mine is ZF2, F2 I copied. Okay, this one is D3. Here also D3. Let's put it. This is for my invoice. Okay. So now let's try to test this. So this is the billing document where I supposed to create it. Okay. Why this net value is coming 0? I don't know. Let's check this. Header. Go to the header text. So it is not copied. Okay. I have a reason why it is not copied. I will show you. Okay. This is the thing you have to learn from here. Good that we got an error. Okay. So let's go to DF2. So this is my credit invoice. Here, this supposed to, if the text I can able to copy for billing in two cases. One is I can directly copy from my sales order to billing, or else I can able to copy from delivery. If it is delivery text, you have to tick this mark. Okay. This is my text determination procedure is D3. Oh, I think it is not saved also one reason. Okay. No. Oh, this is item. I don't know. Okay. Let's keep it header. I defined it a header level, right? Okay. Now let's go to the VF01. So let's go to here, header text. So now it is copied, right? Okay. So I will tell you one scenario also. Okay. So probably you can say this, you can test on your way. So what you have seen, case 2, we have seen this order delivery billing. Okay. So here we can put it case 2, case 3 also. Like in Vivo FA, uncheck delivery text. Okay, that means uncheck means you don't want to copy from delivery, but it need to be copied from somewhere else. It might be sales order. Okay, that we can. So it's if you don't want to copy from the delivery, you uncheck this. Probably we can able to check this configuration. I will show you. Okay, delivery currently. So the currently it is copying. Okay, let's save this. No issues. Okay, so let's come here. Vivo FA. So since I'm inviting my SAP system, it's exactly supposed to be copied from the delivery. Okay. So I need to tick this one. If I don't tick this, okay, what is the relevance? We'll see this one. Okay. So let me do one thing. For that, I'll create one more cycle. So now go to the text. Okay. So maybe I need to copy the instructions. Let me do one thing. I'll copy. So for this customer, maybe for this product it is 15 days. If I want, I can able to modify like this also. So next come here, same value info. It might be UPI. Okay, you got it what you want it. So let's deliver this. So these will be copied to your delivery now. Okay, I will show you the difference actually. So anyhow, go to the header first. You can able to see the text. It is copied, right? UPI and this one and this one. Okay. So assume that mode of payment is I am changing in delivery like it is like check. Okay. This one is one second. This one okay, for all products returns 15 days it is valid. Okay. Let me try to check something here. Vivo PXN. Okay. So let's check this. What is the sequence it has? Same sequence we need to put in. D1. That is 01, 02, 03 here. Go to this one. So the sequence is changed, everything is changed. Let's delete this. That's how the important is. You have to careful small things. I feel. Okay. What 1000 is supposed to be. Okay. This is for delivery. Okay. This is fine. So now go to VLG run and press enter. Okay. Now let's play with the system. So let's go to the header text. Go to the text here. Okay, this is instruction. Okay, payment info. Okay. So this is getting different actually. One second. This is supposed to be come here, copy here. This is supposed to be copy here. Okay, in delivery. So D2 text ID is this one is fine. 1000 for 1001. What is the 1001? ZD015 1002 1002. I'll make it as ZD03. 1003 0. Now let's check. Just need to look out for sequence also. First one is 10. Next one is let's delete this. Let's test now. See, small sequence, how it is changed. Even it's not all about always experience or concentration. By practice only you can learn the things. Now, if you look at this header, so this is correct instruction. Now, payment info UPI is coming. Okay, this is how the change will comes into picture. Now, this is UPI, right? I'm just changing this one to check. Okay, check master. Just keeping this one in delivery level. So this might be like, I'll just put this one as 500 pieces in delivery. And this one 1%, it can be like some 3%. Okay. Just for data reference, I'm just showing this is 2025. I have changed this one. Okay. Sales instruction, I'll keep it the same. Now let's wanted to show you something here in billing, how it works. So let's go and pick this. So, oh my God, this is batch. Okay. So now your delivery done. Now go to VA03. Okay. Just for information, just for comparison, I would like to show you. So here text, header level text will be there. Like this is fine. This is 2024. This is 1% for 100 pieces. Okay. This is UPA in sales order. Now delivery BL03N. If you go here, okay. So if I go to the header and check the text, okay, I just have changed. It's not UPA. Okay. This is check master and this is this one. Okay. Now the target is I would like to copy the delivery text directly. Delivery text, whatever I modified, that need to be copied to billing. Such case, now you go to VOFA. Okay. I would like to show you. This is important actually. So let's go to the DF2. Click this. Okay. So this tick mark is there. That means it is 100% will be copied from delivery. Okay. Now let's go to the VF01 for billing creation. Let press enter. Now go to the header. Okay. So now if you see this, so you can able to observe that mode of payment is not UPI. UPI is in sales order. Okay. Delivery is in check master. Value add, you can able to see this. The product is for 500 pieces. In sales order is 100 pieces. This is 3% discount in delivery. That is for 2024. Just for difference, I just copied this. Okay. Now let me show you something here. Now go here, DF2. Okay. Simply uncheck this one. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. So I'm saying indirectly for my billing document, I don't want the text from my delivery. Okay. Not indirectly, it's directly by unchecking that one. Let's see how the system behaves. So now go to VF01, press enter. Now let's check. Maybe I need to change small config. Let's check. Let's give it a try. Go to the header. Go to the header text. So now mode of payment here. Okay. So this is from where it is coming. Of course, it is coming copying wrongly. Okay, I need to change the sequence, but it is 100 pieces and it is coming from sales order. Okay, UPA is from sales order. This is how we have to test it. So the billing document have the control is like that. Okay. Now let's come back. Let's try to define one more for our understanding how automatically the text is copied. Let's take ZD04. Okay. Maybe you can say that ZD04 customer instructions. Okay, customer instructions. So like, this is the text ID. What instruction will put it? Okay. Okay. Payment will be only by cash. Okay. This is the instruction we have to put it. Cash settlement. It will not be there in business. For your understanding, I'm just telling. Okay. How it works. Automatic copying, let me show you. Okay. If I maintain in customer, VOTXN, let's go. Okay. So generally for customers who will maintain at here, sales and distribution level. Okay. Go to the change. Oh, I need to define the text type first. Go to the text type. Okay. So new entries ZT04 customer instruction. Okay. This is what I would like to do it. So let's try to pass some information. I'll show you this. This is something different. I would like to show you. It is important again. So because it has a dependency on other fields. Okay. So now come here. So now let's go to the, see, we are checking now case one actually. Okay. Now go to the change. So let's define this one as default customer text. I'll take this one as of now name. Or else you can give customer instruction also. There is no one is going to stop you. This is configuration. It will not have any impact of whatever the name you give, but it's supposed to be meaning at the time of if you are using this something for your printing and all those things. Okay, now sequence. Let's come here. What is the ID ZD04? Okay, let's save this. Got it right? So text procedure assignment. You don't have access sequence. Why? Because so before customer, nothing is there to copy. If it is a sales order, it need to copy it to delivery. Access sequence required. For delivery, you require access sequence. It need to be copied to billing like that. The same time, yeah, you got it right. What I mean to say is, so if I would like to receive from customer, order required, but customer there is nothing required like that. That's why you don't have access sequence here. The first point in case one. Okay. So now, what is your account group? So this is which one I have created my account. Let it be. Let's check this. My account group. No problem. Let's put is D0001. Okay. I feel that. Let me check in my BP level. Let's come to the text. Okay. This is D4. Okay. So this need to be assigned to account group. Okay. So let's go to the BP. That means our customer or a similar process for vendor also. Let's click this. Okay. So that's okay. Okay, SD role you go. So now go to the sales and distribution. See, this is the place where customer text. Okay, let's go to the edit. So let's come to the customer text. Okay. If you want, you can able to maintain this instruction here. So now it is disabled. I don't know. Let's check this. Let me check something config issue. Let's select this. So he has given an option below. So click on edit text. Okay. Let's see this. Slow. In the meanwhile, let's select this. Okay, we got it. What is the text you want it? Payment will be only by cash. Okay. So let's put this text. Let's save this. S4 HANA. What is this? Okay. Let it be. So payment will be only by cash. This is what the instruction is all about. Okay. Now, let me show you something here. Okay. So who is this guy? Go to the partner. This customer only, we are playing with that. Okay. So if it comes or not, let's check this. Okay. So let's go to the header. Try to check. It will not, it didn't come right. So let's check. What is the thing we have to do? Go to VOTXM. Okay. So now you want this text from customer to sales document. Okay. Go to the change. So for learning, you require a patience. Okay. Nothing else. So probably I'll use the same procedure. Go to the text IDs. So if you want it first, you should know what text type you want it. Okay. ZD04. Okay. So what is this? So 1 second. Let me check what ID I need to define. Or if it is, let me come here. I'll tell you the reason I know. So let's come here. ZD04, it is there. Anyhow, let me define one thing. ZD05. Why it is not coming here? 1 second. I need to define here first thing. ZD04. Okay. Sale. No. This is customer instruction. Okay. Text ID I need to define. for sales document also. Now it will allow me. It's not like others. Okay. ZD04 sales document I have defined. Now go to the change. So now select this. So come here. I want this one also. Maybe like this is 01. I'll keep it on the top. ZD04. Okay. Now it is allowing me. So let's check this. So don't use standard copy and play with the system. So this text, I'll say obligatory. Here, again, I need to define the access sequence. Okay. So let's select this, come to the access sequence. So this one, I'll put it like this one for a difference. First access. Okay. Let's put it, save this. See, because when if it is supposed to be copied for somewhere, our system will come to know that by object only. Okay, how we are calling the object. So like one, I'll put it not VBK. Let's take this K and VB. You can see this, right? Customer. Okay. If it is general, then that is different. What is the ID? ZD04. This is defined for my customer. Okay. Let's save this. So now go to the text IDs. So this is D1 only. Press enter. So for ZD04, what is the access sequence? This is the one. Customer access. The same process. Let me show you something here. Okay. So who is the partner function? You have to choose for sold to party. Okay. I so it is default for all languages. Okay. Or else if it is specific to single language, you have to choose this. Okay. So you can tick this, it will work for you. This is partner function. If you have separate partner function that has a separate language, that also it will be there. So from partner function language, it will read. So three options will be there. Okay. Next to sales organization language, also it will read this. And you will have a requirements like this, like reference document header and item and data transfer routines also will be there. Okay. Now it's not required to go and get into the deepers. So now text procedure. Anyhow, we have already assigned what is our self document DO or with D1 we have already assigned. Okay, and this is all about the setting. Let's check this. Our luck. Okay, so now go to the header. Go to the text. See now customer instruction. So but data it is not copied. This I need to check actually. So it's supposed to be copied. Let's check this. Now I am there the definition of VOTXM. This is for D1. So I have to tick this one. Okay. I forgot an action. Let's save this. Reference text. This is now you understood, right? What is the reference text? Now I need not explain and again about this one. Okay. So let's save this. Still it is not covered. This one is fine. Oh, this also gone. Something happened about our settings. So configuration is correct. The only thing is that I'm not able to. My text is not saved actually. Let's try to check. So let's click on this. Okay. So go to the text. So what exactly this character format? So let me copy the text here. And what about this text element? Let's press enter. Let's come here. Save now. I need to check whether first it is copied or not. If it is not saved, then we cannot able to see this. As of now, this is fine. Now let's go to the DP again. So if it is not saved, we cannot able to see the text there. That's what I feel. Let me check. See, the text is disappearing. Okay, let me check. So from customer master, it should be copied. Payment will be by cash. That's what the target is. So let's check this for this customer. So previously the text change is not saved. Okay. So I'm saving there. Actually inside I'm saving. I'm little unconscious. I forgotten to change the save at main BP level. Okay. Let's go to the header now. You can see this. It do happens. So see, payment will be only by cash. This is what it is. Okay. Now let's try to do one thing. So this one is sales instructions. If you want to put it, you can able to put it all these things manually. So this is if you want to copy this customer instruction. So for delivery and billing also that you can able to do it. Okay. So let's save this. Let's save this order. Okay. Now go to VOTXN. Okay. Lastly, to go to the delivery header again. Okay. Here you have to define the tax, what you call text type. Okay. Ours is ZD04, right? Okay, it is already available, no issues. Let's come back, go to the changes. Okay. So now it's supposed to be copied from where? From sales order. Okay. So then simple it is. You go to the D2 procedure, go to the text IDs. Okay. Go to the new entries. So maybe I can choose this one as 40. So ZD04. Okay. So let's check this. So reference text and let's save this. If it is copies, then fine. Otherwise, we need to set up the access sequence. That's what you'll come to know the relevance of the access sequence now. Okay. So this is fine. Anyhow, let me define. It will not walk. Okay. Go to the access sequence. So for delivery, what 10007. Okay, this I'll put this one. Okay. So here, come here, sort. This may be, let me put it 40. So now text object is from order only we are copying. What is the ID? ZD04. Okay. So let's assign this. So now go to the text. This is D2. So I want 1007. So we have to make a selection. Okay. So customer said text I would like to copy there. Okay. So procedure is same D2, it is already assigned. There is nothing. So now let's go to VL0NM. Let's check if any issues are there. Okay. Now go to the header. See, payment will be by cash. It is copied. Okay. So in the similar way, I can able to continue the same thing till billing. Okay. So let's do the picking. So from delivery, if I want from delivery, I can able to copy. If I want, I can able to copy from order also. That is a different story. Let's do the PGI quickly. So now let's go to VOFA. I would like to copy the delivery. Okay. DOR, sorry, DF2 billing document type. So if I would like to copy from that, I need to tick this one. Okay. When I do so, still I need to set up something. Okay. What is that? We go so PSN. Okay. So let's go to the billing header. In the similar way, you can able to do at item level also. Okay. Let's change. So now I need to modify the D3 procedure by defining one access segment. That's it. So let's come here. So let's go to text IDs here. So let's go to the 40 TD04 customer text instructions. I want it. So let's save this first. Let's save this. Select this and go to the what I would say access sequence for this 10008. Let me define. Press, select this, go to the customer ID. So take the 40. Object is you can take VBBK, no issues, but actually it should be copied from your delivery. That's what our target is. Okay. So now save this, simply go to the this one D3. I need to assign 10008. Save this. Okay. So case one has a dependency on case two understanding. That's why I have drive the scenarios like this. Okay. So now what is left with us? So we have Jira. Let's check this. If it is not working, then we'll see the issue. Go to the header. Definitely 100% it will work. So now payment is copied. See, these I didn't fill. That's why it is not coming. Okay. So I made it blank. So these first, so as per case two, I need to fill manually. Okay. All I want also, I can able to do that. That is different story. Okay. Let's save the billing. So now you understood. Probably you can able to give a try at item level also. There is no difference. Okay. So item level billing also. So what you can able to try? Case one. First you try. Let's make it green for your understanding. Then you can copy from customer master. This is like something like So no sorry. Case is manual entry. Okay. So this is copying from customer. Either you can take central level or general level. Case three, delivery text. Uncheck and test this. See, this is maximum enough to understand about text determination. It took a little lengthy because our scenario is little broader. Okay, nothing else. I would like to show you one thing before moving ahead. So now go to Vivo V8. Okay. So the DOR. is my document. So once I have done the text determination, so like what is the where is this? Sorry. Okay, anyhow, so like so variant I have already explained. Any other things left over? I'm just checking for next topic. Probably we'll see the status profile. Okay, where is this? Here we will assign the status profile. Okay, that we will see document type level. Okay. What else? This is the place where status profile will assign. Okay. So that's it. Item level you can give it right. Otherwise, I'll try to add if you cannot able to do it on your own. Item level nothing. So like if you choose item level. So for example, my item category is this one. So T10 I have defined tan as T10. So probably text processor it is assigned, right? In the similar way, you can able to assign whatever the defined our one text procedure will comes into picture. So that's all for today. I think you understood better. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. So if anything is there, you can write to me so that I can understand to help you out. Okay. So my sincere request for YouTube folks. So you can able to see this is a lot of hard work to get back to this stage for this course. This is SAP SD HANA's S4 HANA sales in simple English. If you really want it, you can subscribe. You can learn. Coming 10 years, this course will be 100% useful. I don't think so. S4 HANA is going to die at that much faster. So I'll try to add a few more topics. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.